Ready to give your child an unforgettable summer of innovation, creativity, and technology? Registering for the Exceliya Innovators Summer Camp 2026 is simple and takes only a few minutes. Start by visiting the Innovators Summer Camp registration page. Explore the camp highlights, learning outcomes, schedule, and exciting hands-on activities your child will experience. When you're ready, simply click the Register Now button. Choose the appropriate grade group for your child. Complete the registration form with your child's information and parent contact details. Early bird discounts are automatically applied where available. If you have a referral coupon code, click Have a Coupon Code and enter the code to receive an additional discount. Review your registration details and complete the payment securely online. Once payment is successful, you'll receive your registration confirmation and further instructions. Seats are limited, so don't wait. Register today and help your child build, create, innovate, and lead.